This is a little video about how to repair the courts after playing tennis. So step 1.
Play tennis.
Excellent. So step 2 is to have a look around the court and find any areas off the court that might be damaged. Okay, so what we have is one here. So first of all, what you do is you make sure that there's no grit in the hole, and then you get a scoop from the bin and pour a little bit.
I think we might need a bit more than that.
Yes, a little bit more than that.
Okay, there we go. Then you stand on it with your heel. Let me do it. Let me do it.
That's it, nice and
And
down.
that's how you do it.
And then after that, you may brush the courts.